see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be trying to buy Supreme Week 7, which is the motion logo week. If I'm being honest, after looking at the times for EU, I'm kind of skeptical. I don't know what's about to happen. I know that the drop sold out under 17 seconds, which is crazy numbers, bro. This is box logo shit. So hopefully we do end up cooking up on these motion logos. I'm going to try to go for the hoodie and the beanie at the same time. I don't know how this is going to work. Honestly, I'm debating on just going for the beanie, try and go for the hoodie. Things are getting a little bit complicated. I actually do want to thank you guys for 15,000 subscribers. In these past couple days, you have been showing me so much love, and not even just these past couple days, this whole time that I've been doing YouTube. I do appreciate the fact that you guys always come through and show love. It means the world to me, honestly. Thank you for 15,000 subscribers. I will announce the giveaway as soon as I get everything figured out for you guys. Leave a like on this video if you do enjoy. Subscribe if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Hopefully you guys had great luck on today's drop, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Quarantine.
There's no stores open, so they should at least invest mad money into this fucking website.
Oh shit, we got 15 seconds.
How like I'm at your house now and I always cop on my phone. We're like, you should cop on your computer, it's faster. I'm like, I have no fucking Wi-Fi. Come on, let's load.
Oh hell no.
What the heck? It's
it loaded.
It loaded. Where is it? What the fuck? Why am I having like a dick moment? Yo, what?
Oh, it's not adding to my cart. I'm fucked, bro.
Let's get it. Oh, come on.
Come on, son.
Processing payment.
Oh, you
Why
lucky.
didn't I fucking
You might, I think you got
shit?
It, bro.
No, I did not. Don't say this shit to me.
What you mean, no?
No. Yo, don't hype me. I got credit card declined.
My shit ain't even loading, papa.
All right.
Yo,
Go back.
These shits is so...
Well, just go to the beanie. Just go to the beanie at this point. There's something.
It's not even adding to my cart. Like, there ain't shit going on right here.
Everything is sold out at this point, except for the gray one.
Bro, nothing. This shit is not adding to my cart, dude. That was the fastest L. It's not even showing me sizes.
Yo, go to the beanie. What are you doing?
The beanie is gone. What you talking about?
What do you mean? How is it gone?
Over here. I'm about to get the splatter beanie, bro.
Yo, I got so fucking dubbed right now.
Yeah, that was fucked. Like,
it was in my cart.
She got through the process screen, and then that shit said, fuck you.
You think it's gonna be like restocked in a second?
Boy, I have
Yo, this is so sad for me.
I hate the fact that shit just fly, bro. She got through the process screen. Like, you know how you get to the end of the bar?
And it was saying processing payment? That shit
just said, fuck you, le jodite. That's crazy.
Yo, I'm so sick.
I'm checking out on the splatter beanie right now. I hope I at least get this, but this was crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Everything went too quick for me to even like process it. I tried to like add something to my cart. Shit just wasn't working for me. Like, she got through more than me, and shit was bad. Like, just bad. So I checked out on the splatter beanie. This is actually a vibe. I actually do like this beanie, but it just sucks that I couldn't get no motion logo shit. Like, that's all I wanted, bro, and I couldn't get nada. Stuff just came and went. It's kind of upsetting, but I kind of figured because it is up here with the box logos. I already knew what was about to happen. I hate when shit like this happen because it kind of fuck up your mood. Like, obviously I'm be alright, but like, I've been waiting for these shit since the first week, and I just took the illest L. Like,
you
right? Nah,
you
right? I wish I would have seen what the fuck was happening right here. I'm like, yo, you got this shit. Like,
you jinxed it.
Nah, no I didn't. You know how you process it for mad long, shit's almost at the end. Normally when you about to get a credit card decline, it just like off the rip says fuck that shit. But she almost got through the whole thing, bro. I really thought she had this shit.
It didn't even say credit card decline. It just said, unfortunately, this thing is out of stock.
I'm about to roll the outro, but I do need a favor from y'all. If you are watching this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to her channel. We're actually going to be doing a giveaway really soon for you guys. There's going to be 5 winners included in this giveaway, so I definitely would recommend you guys to join in, subscribe to her channel, get her to 600. I'm actually working out the final details of this giveaway so we can officially run it for you guys. This is one that you do not want to miss. Trust me.
Don't want to miss. It's gonna be 5 winners and 5 really good items. We've been having this thought out for the longest. We were just waiting. Congratulations. Feel like a proud mom.
stop. They're gonna think you're my mom.
Nah, but shout out to you guys. Without you guys, this could not be possible. So that's why we definitely want to give back to you guys.
Definitely, but that pretty much does it for this video. Y'all witnessed the struggle right here firsthand. We took a L, bro. Like, I was not expecting it to go this bad. I was at least expecting to pick up something, but all I managed to get was this beanie right here. Is what it is though. Shit happens. Next week there will be more Supreme. There won't be a motion logo, but there's gonna be more Supreme to go for. That pretty much does it for this one though, man. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new. I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Let me check my email. Maybe this is a surprise, motherfucker.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel.